Now in this module we are not going to bother with the terminal too much, but we're going to work inside these web pages that are Jupyter Notebooks. I invite you to click on the link and read some documentation about it. Jupyter Notebooks are what Donald Knuth would call a literate programming environment, meaning that it's an environment that allows you to mix text and annotations in plain English with code. So this one is the equivalent of the Hello World program that we've just seen, simply pasted inside the notebook. You can run it by either clicking Shift-Enter on this cell or by pressing the Run button here. The notebook is organized in cells, so this is a title cell, this is text, this is code with its output, this is another text cell. If you double click on a text cell, you see the way it is formatted, and it's really easy to edit these cells. So you can add your own notes, you can make modifications, you can insert links to documentation pages that you like. Do feel free to change these pages as you want. When you're done editing, for instance, a text cell like this one, I'm adding some edits here. You can run it or click Shift-Enter on it, and it will assume its normal formatted aspect. You can save your document and checkpoint it. This works unless you're on a binder, so it works if you're working locally on your machine or on a Jupyter Hub that allows storage. Binders are not persistent, so saving to a binder does not help. And once you have checkpointed your notebook, you can always revert to a previous checkpoint, so you don't need to worry about spoiling anything, messing it up. That's really not an issue. Finally, if instead of running instructions directly in a cell, you want to source a file and run that, you can use this little keyword that's not Python, it's called the magic, as an instruction to the notebook to run the file hello.py, and if you remember, we had modified it a little bit. So this is the results that it gives, at least on my machine. So there's more than life than PowerPoint, really.